Are you still copying and pasting data from multiple Excel sheets every month? January, February, March, again and again. What if I told you Excel can combine all your data automatically in just one click? In today's video, I will show you how to use Append Query in Power Query to combine multiple tables easily. In this video, you will learn what is Append Query, how to combine multiple tables, difference between append and merge, real-life use case, and common mistakes from the beginners. So let's begin. First of all, I'm going to open a blank MS Excel sheet so that you may understand how to work on it. Let's say I have three tables over here, like customer order in 2015, customer order in 2016, customer order in 2017. So we have to work on it. We need to load the data from the data tab, and we need to get the data from files and from the text to CSV, because the file is in CSV format. So what we are going to do is we need to load the data over here in the Power Query section, and we are going to the set of the lectures that I have created in my lesson as a lesson. Okay, so while we select the data set, number one is 2015, we need to go through it, like order date, stock date, order number, product key, customer key, territory key, order line, order quantity. Just all we need to check the header are the same in the same all the data. So we need to go to the Power Query editor. This is always a best practice to go to the transform option and load the dataset, because whenever you will have some problem, you can easily check it and remove the problems or errors. So after loading the data, you need to check for errors and whether it is available or not, okay, because you need to work on it. You work for data cleaning at first, and then you have to go to the next step. Okay, so we don't have any problem over here, so quickly we just need to load the data set, rest of the data, like 2015. Then we need to select the 2016. After that we need to select the 2017. Okay, so the text or CSV, we need to select the one after another, and the column profiling based on top 1000 rows. So this is what you have to check, and you have to make it the entire data set. Okay, so you need to go to the another in 2016, and now you need to select the customer order 2015. So once you select the customer order 2015, and you need to go to the append queries here in the home tab, like append queries. Append queries, once we select the arrow mark, we need to check the append queries will load all the data in the 2015. So we don't need to make it clumsy. We need to make a master data, so we need to select the append queries as new. So once we select the append queries as new, it will give us a tab which is append concatenate rows from two tables into a single table. Say for example you have two tables only, like 2015 and 16, you don't have 2017, so you can work with two tables easily. Once you select the first table, automatically select the MS Excel, select by the MS Excel. So you need to select the second one, like select the customer order 2016. So what you need to do is you need to as we have already three data over here, we need to select the three or more tables, because you have to work with multiple data sets in your real life. So in 2016 has been selected. As we have already selected from here, we don't need to select the 2016 again. We just need to select the customer order 2017 and add from here. This is a add tab. From here you have to select and press over here, and it will be added to the tables to append section. Okay, so once you select the OK, press the OK button, and it will give you the whole table in here. Before you go to the next pattern, you will have to change the name of the append one. In the query setting section, the name has been given. See the append one, you need to change the name at first. So you need to write it master order data. So yeah, the name has been changed to master order data, and you need to check whether all the information has been loaded over here or not. So scroll down, and you will see that 2015 has been loaded over here. So you didn't need to worry about it. You just need to check the caution section. Here is a caution given, list may be incomplete. So you just need to press the load more, and you will see by scrolling down, you will see that all the information has been loaded over here. So see that 2016, and we just need to select, we just need to find out whether the 2017 has been loaded or not. See, this is the 2017 data. So press OK, and you need to change the information like column profiling based on top 1000 rows to enter data. So the information has been loaded over here. Will be loaded over here. Before you go to something somewhere else, you just need to find out whether the loaded information is correct or not. So you need to check the column information. See here, you can check from here whether your empty rows or the error has been given over here or not. And so once you think that your profile or your table is okay with, you are okay with it, you just need to press the close and load, and it will take some time to load the queries and connections in the blank data set, in the blank blank table which we have selected previously. You just need to wait for a while to load the information. See the customer order 2015 rose to 2630. In customer order 2016 it's 23,935 and 29,481 rows has been loaded. And in the master table we have got 56,046. Now once you match all the once you calculate that those three tables, and you will get 56,046 rows. So what you have to do now is you need to find out whether the information has been given over here are the same or not. Okay, as you have, or you have to work as a data analyst, and yeah, say for example you have in another table of 2018, and what you have to do, you have to combine the you have to copy and paste that in the append files option here, and it will be, once you select the refresh all option, it will be loaded easily over here, and you will get the 2018 2019 all the information over here. So now here is the best pattern. I just updated all the information, and what is the difference between append and merge? The many beginners get confused between append and merge. So let me explain simply. Append is the combining row vertical. Okay, so combining row vertically, and in the merge is the combining columns horizontally. So append is equal to stacking data, and merge is equal to matching data. So common mistakes that beginners do. Here are some common mistakes you should avoid: different column names, missing columns, different data types, wrong table selection. Make sure your tables have the same structure. So in real life, you can use Append Query for monthly sales report, combining branch data, merging CSV files, creating master dataset. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. So have a nice day. See you in the next video.